If you're looking for a modern luxury home that has Lake Washington views from your rooftop deck, this home is for you.
Welcome to Lower Kennydale, where you're only 20 minutes from downtown Seattle and downtown Bellevue, just up the road from the Renton Landing and Jean Coulon Park.
Sitting at over 4,000 square feet, this reverse floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 4-car garage with an office downstairs.
This kitchen is where aesthetics meets functionality, with vertical cabinets, integrated Miele appliances, and views from every angle. This home perfectly blends organic flow with modern architecture, with high-end fixtures and luxury finishes throughout.
If you're interested in this home or other homes like it, reach out to us for a private tour at 253-262-5003 or viewpnwhomes.com.